Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today I brought you guys my rice water hair growth therapy. So I told you guys from the previous video I uploaded where I showed you guys how I grew my edges that I have been using rice water as well. So let's jump into the tutorial very quickly. I don't want this video to be long, but before we start, if you are new to my channel, my name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos. Subscribe if you do find my videos interesting, and yeah, I'll show you the items you need for your rice water. So you need your rice. This is 5 tablespoons of rice. You might use any rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever rice. 1 onion like this. You need a grater here. You also need a sieve. You need your jar to store the rice water in it, and also you need water. This is an empty bottle of Cantu Living Conditioning Spray that I'm using. This is just warm water I placed inside water. I did the 1 onion already. I grated it and kept it aside, so here it is. I'm going to go back in. So I'm back. I washed the rice once and poured the water away to remove any impurities or bacteria from the rice or whatever, because you don't want that in your hair. So I'll go in. Let me remove this. The table is small. I'll open my jar and pour the rice inside, and now I'll pour in my water. This is warm water from the tap. I'll pour it inside my container of rice. Next, I'll go in with my onion that I made a grater and place it inside the rice water with the rice together. And I'll just mix everything. So this is my rice water 24 hours later. I'm just going to shake it. Open it. Use my sieve to pour it in the bowl. And yeah, so this is my rice water mixed with onion juice for hair growth. So this is what I have been using to deep condition my hair now for the past 3 weeks. If you find that this onion and rice water is too strong for you, you can go in and add some essential oils like your lavender oil, maybe peppermint oil. I only have peppermint oil now in the house, so I'm going to drop about 5 drops of peppermint oil inside here, put it in my spray bottle here, and put a shower cap on, let it sit for 1 hour. Then I wash it with my shampoo and conditioner. Another way that I use to apply it is spray it in my hair overnight, put on my shower cap, secure my hair very well before going to bed, and then I get up the next day, I wash it. Sometimes I also spray them very lightly on my hair, not too much that is damp if I'm washing my hair, but I just spray a little bit of it, massage it very well, then I go to sleep. When you get up in the morning, it's dry, it doesn't smell. Maybe you can add a good cream that you have at home that smells nice, like the Cancel leave-in conditioning lotion. It has a good smell, or any other lotion that you have that smells well on your hair. You add it on top of that and you're good to style your hair and go. That will make your hair grow faster than only using it to deep condition your hair once a week. So that's what I've been doing. I use it several days in a week, and then once a week I use it to deep condition my hair, either overnight or 1 hour before I wash it, depending on how my schedule is. So yeah, hope you guys found this video interesting. Give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So I poured my rice water in this empty container because it's a spray bottle. As you can see here, it's a spray bottle. It will be easy for me to apply on my hair. I measured it from the beginning because I wanted it to be full bottle so I can use it for at least 2 weeks